We're facing a different kind of weather problem this week. A heat wave is taking hold of Kentucky as heat index temperatures soar to the triple digits this week. Our Christy Dutton talks to the National Weather Service to find out how hot it will get and how long this heat wave will last.
Michael Kochasik from the National Weather Service in Louisville here with us. So, Mike, we talk about the dog days of summer. A lot of people say it's not the heat, it's the humidity. Well, this time it's both, right?
Absolutely. It's going to be hot and the humidity is there too. When those two mix together, it doesn't feel good to be outside.
So what kind of temperatures are we talking about?
You're talking about temperatures well into the low to mid 90s, but with that humidity, when you have dew points above 70 degrees, that really creates oppressive feeling type heat. You're talking about the real feel of 105, maybe even 110 some spots.
Oh, wow. And so that is what triggers the excessive heat warnings and the heat advisories. And we have that in effect today, and we have those in effect for part of the state again tomorrow. Do you see those advisories or warnings being extended farther out, closer to the weekend?
It certainly looks like that. We're kind of keeping a close eye on that, but there's a big high pressure area just sitting across Kentucky and south central Indiana, and it's not going anywhere anytime fast.
So does that mean we're not going to get a break from this heat anytime soon? Do you see any light at the end of the tunnel?
Maybe this weekend it starts to move a little bit, but I would be prepared even for the weekend to dress cool and drink plenty of water because this weekend could be warm as well.
Okay, so dress cool, drink plenty of water. What are some of the other tips that we need to keep in mind once we start seeing those heat index temperatures, the real feel, get into the triple digits?
Absolutely. So in addition to drinking plenty of water and dressing cool, wearing light colored clothing, loose fitting, make sure that you take plenty of breaks, especially if you're working outdoors. Try to avoid the afternoon sun or even the late morning sun. That's when the sun angle is at its highest and it really feels hotter than it actually is reading. So be sure to have places to go for shade as well as a cool area like inside air conditioning. That's the best places to be.
Okay, and keep eyes on pets too that are outdoors, right?
Absolutely. Don't forget Fluffy, because if it's hot for you, it's going to be hot for them. And if you're out taking them for a walk too, if the pavement's too hot for your feet, it's going to be too hot for their feet as well.
Okay, great advice. Thank you, Michael Kochasik from the National Weather Service in Louisville. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
And thank you, Christy. And we want to remind you again of those signs of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. If you're going to be outside this weekend, heat exhaustion can cause dizziness, heavy sweating, and weakness. If this happens, as you heard, you need to move to a cooler area and sip cool water. Heat stroke can cause confusion, dizziness, and fainting. If you see someone showing signs of a heat stroke, immediately call 911 and move that person to a cooler area. Stay safe out there.